Five best way to practice your saxophone. Number one, your composure. Your composure. This day, composure really matter because most people, whenever they are playing saxophone, some people bend. Some people have developed bad posture. That posture is your signature. They call it steez. This generation call it steez. Maintain a good posture whenever you are practicing. Yes, you practice ahead of your performance. For example, you won't want to be playing like this. It's a bad posture. Get a good posture. And how can you achieve this? By rehearsing. The first thing you should do, learn how to stand straight. If you're sitting, sit upright and have a good posture of your practice. Good posture is very, very important. That's the first thing you should learn in practicing whenever you want to practice the saxophone. The second thing, learn how to make use of your dexterity, your finger. Make your fingers soft as possible whenever you're holding the saxophone. When you're pressing it, don't be doing like those noise. They are not really professional. Learn how to move your hand as little as minimal as you can. If you can practice this, it is going to help you professionally. For example, you are singing, you are good, you are kind, you are more than deep. You see, it's very cool, and your hand is not moving like. It can even confuse you. So make sure you practice how you can move your hand gently. Is very, very important. Then from here, the next step, number 3, learn how to practice your long notes before you start playing any song. Practice your long notes. If you can do it on a single breath, fine. If you can do it on, 2 or 3 breaths, fine. But it helps you on breath control. Long note. Don't do. No, make it a single note, just straight note. Now I'm adding a little vibrato to it, so it's bringing out the beauty. You can even turn it to kind of music. Now, when you're doing something like this, you are making your breath control to be very strong. You can do it on a single breath. You can take it as fast as you can. Then the next thing every saxophonist should know is how to work with loop. Especially if you're Nigerian, the way things are going on, learn how to make use of your loop. Yes, your beat loop. Play. Some people, most saxophonists, they like worship, but at a particular point, you might need to go into praise. So any song you are taking, take it in worship, and also learn how to take it in praise. For example, this blessed are thou son of David, and learn how to take it both in worship, because you don't know where you're going to find yourself. And I might just say, oh, please, I want you to take that song again as a saxophonist, but this time around, I want us to dance and just start playing loop for you. You can just try to play the song. In my channel here, I have a lot of loop on praise loop, worship loop. Just click dame sax, powerful dame sax, worship loop, powerful dame sax, praise loop. I have a lot of them. Just click on it and start playing. For example, here's one of it. So for example now, learning how to play to loop. is you practicing with loop. Loop helps you to, blend with different song, and as you're doing that, can go to different song. For example, when it's a long loop, I have them here. You know, all right, so that is the joy of loop. Practicing with loop helps you as a saxophonist is a good thing. You just practice with loop. And start with song that you know very well. Don't be singing, don't start playing song that you don't even know the lyrics. Yes, that is after that. Then when you're about rounding up your song, when you're done, try to sing again, note for note. Learn how to when you are practicing, especially your loop. That's the last pattern now. We talk about number one, composure. Number two, learn how to work on your dexterity. Yes, working on your dexterity. Then number three is working on your long notes. You pick a note that you can sing on. With do re mi fa sol. Pick it and sing on your long notes. You practice your scale if you can do. Um, any other thing you wish to do, you do it. Then the fourth one, work on your loop. As a saxophonist, you need to learn how to work on your loop. Now, the fifth part, which is very, very important. You see, one thing with saxophone is this. It's not the number of hours that matter, but how consistent you are. Whenever you feel tired as a saxophonist, don't stress yourself. Hmm? This year, we are going to give trouble wahala. Rest. This your jaw can be so tired. You see, sometimes trying to attain perfection is not easy. So whenever you play small and you feel tired, you feel fatigue, rest. And when you are resting, the another way in which you can help yourself is listen to people, listen to saxophonist ministration, listen to people minister, listen to you know tutors, the way they teach, most especially listening to saxophone sound. It become part and parcel of it. Have you observed that sometimes when you listen to songs, even if you don't learn it before you started singing that song. So when you listen to sound, you listen to pick one of your saxophonist that you like. I won't call it I don't know, but one of the saxophonists that you like, the kind of pattern that the person play. Maybe Michael Remo, BG Sax, maybe Dami Sax, anybody you just feel like you like the pattern. Pick the person and listen to the saxophone tone. Listen to the person in present worship as often as possible. And when you get used to it, before you know it, you just be on stage and you start playing those kind of things. But don't forget, you have to practice. What am I trying to say? When you are tired, take a break. When your jaw is red, take a break. It's not the number of hours that matter, but how efficient your rehearsal. Thank you. So this is the fifth tips, the five ways in which you can use to improve your practice. Thank you so much. I am Dami Saxon. On this channel, I do a lot of wonderful things. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends. Bye. See you in my next video. Don't forget, practice make perfection. Keep practicing, and you will achieve that your dream. Bye.